Welcome to the second edition of my Creative Combos Challenge. This challenge consists of 4 weeks, 4 different combinations, each one pretty short and simple, set to a Maqsoum rhythm. The creativity in this challenge comes in with how you decide to put these combinations and combine them with music. So we're going to learn a new combination every week, drill it with Maqsoum, be sure to post with your favorite pop or classical music, and at the end of the challenge, we're going to try to go ahead and add all of the combos together into one mini choreography. So get really creative drilling these combinations with all kinds of different music. They're all set and created around Maqsoum rhythm, which is one of the most commonly found rhythms in Middle Eastern music. So let's have fun. We're going to start today with the first combination. It's pretty short and sweet. We're starting with figure eights, vertical up and in. So when I do this movement, to make it a really big up and down move, I add a little bit of lift in with my heels and a little bit of engagement up and in to my oblique muscles. The whole time I'm keeping a nice straight back. I'm trying not to arch into my back. So I'm going to go 1 and 1, 2. So starting with that big figure eight and then coming into 2 little undulations with a weight shift on the feet. So our feet are going 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Figure eight, undulation, undulation, figure eight, undulation, undulation. We can add in the arms by circling up on the figure eight, cross down on the undulations, up, cross down on the undulations. Now between these moves, the next part of the combo is going to be a reverse jewel, as some people call it. So this is somewhere between a reverse horizontal figure eight where I'm twisting my hips and circling around back to front, but I'm adding it in with a lift of my heel and a weight shift in my feet. 1, 2, 1, 2. I usually add a little bit of a flourish or a twist with my hip or a release with my foot at the end. So we're going to do this once to each side. 1, 2. On the second side, I just hold my hip in, extend my leg, and then I'm going to step into a hip circle. Now, you can just do the plain hip circle, no problem. But what I'm going to do is add a little bit of accentation on the hips. We're going to do twists on top of the hip circle. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and reverse. 1, 2, 3. As my hips come front, I'm going 1 and 2. And then I reverse to the other direction. 1 and 2. So the whole combination is 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's try it with music. Starting with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.